Grandpa said the eagle has landed.
The eagle has landed.
Who is the eagle? Iyamide number 1. Grandpa said Iyamide number 1.
Iyamide number 1.
Grandpa, how do you feel that your children and grandchildren are in town? You feel elated.
You are interviewed.
You feel elated.
It's wonderful.
Very wonderful. Grandpa, how do you feel for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I am praying.
Yeah, then we are rushing. Let's go. Okay. Grandpa, bye. Good night. Amen. Say hi.
Good night.
Guys, good morning. I hope you had a good night. Say knife. Night.
Your top is nice.
Thank you, baby. Sure.
Oh. Will I say this one block?
Hi guys, good morning. So let me just run everything that's happened for you guys because it's been a roller coaster.
I don't listen on today, bro.
Where are we going to? We'll go to their room, Abby. Let's go to their room.
It's not mixing.
It's for her to come and call us. Guys, let me just give you a breakdown of what has been going on in my life. So yesterday I wrote the exams. Pathology to be precise. Joy, don't leave your phone. No, you know they'll do room service.
Exactly.
Let me. So yesterday, all the hustle and bustle, I shall got home. I shall got home around 7 after my exam. My exam finished around 2, so I got to around that kind of. So I came home. I met everybody. I think, guys, let me mention that I'm home for my grandfather's birthday party. This door is open. Maybe we should just pass it. So after we got home, guys, it's just been rough. I didn't even vlog yesterday. So because everything didn't go on so well, like as planned, as per my journey was a little bit delayed. I got to my that kind 7, 8, and they had already set some events before I got. So this is the kind of like family celebration. Is for my grandfather. His 80th birthday. Thing is, when he had his birthday, nobody was home, so the family kind of planned to do it now, so that people, apparently it's just my siblings and I and a few of my cousins that are in Nigeria. Every other person is in the abroad, so we had to like consider them to chill for them till when they are on break, just so that everybody can come. So like, and you guys know that my family is a very large one, so very, very, like when I mean large, very, very large. So that's really it, Sha. So we just try to chill for other people to come. So at the end of the day, it now happened to be that we are now in Nigeria, considering them, we're now the ones that are busy. Like, we're now the ones that are busy. Myself, my siblings, like exams, even Anu self, like everybody in Nigeria, people shall hooked up, shall squeeze time for this one, but abroad people are now free. The twist. So everybody's around. Not everybody. I think just a few people didn't make it. But I don't know, for reasons known to them. But most people are around, and Grandpa was very happy yesterday because I saw him really late. So I was going to do this intro yesterday, but all the rush and emotional imbalance, everybody stressed, everybody was not passing aggression, trying to sort out our accommodation because we didn't go home live. Many of you know my very fresh auntie out there.
So when are you going back to school?
My phone is dead.
You're not writing exams, are you? She just finished.
I just finished today.
Lucky you.
No. I should buy it as if my head wants to fall. Okay. Touchdown.
Let's roll.
Did I tell you guys that we have military escorts, so they don't thief any of my grandfather's seeds and grandseeds away and ask for ransom? We say no noise, please. Like they knew we were coming. We say no noise.
Wait, you mean mother has gone back to Obaide?
Yes, one day has followed mommy. Has gone with mommy and daddy.
He's going back to Obaide.
Yes. Have we not done
With Mama.
Where?
I'm loving everybody to share as per.
Hey, Jesus! His hair, his hair. Let me check this side. 2 nights.
It's too nice. But they should change it now. They're supposed to change it. Or should we call room service?
It could be that maybe the hair is the person. See hair, look down.
Maybe it's a man. Maybe the man that uses this like so maybe
No,
the
it's
hair
long
on the
hair.
chest.
No, this is long hair, like.
Or
Is that
like
like
weave.
wig?
But maybe you should turn the outside. Oh, just call room service now.
Maybe I should just beg them to come and give me another drink.
They should be able to.
So how do they do this? I don't know how to use this thing.
I don't know. Why?
So
So this is Auntie Okpe's room.
my mind was telling you that maybe they not change this bedsheet. The family bedsheet now, no shape like real. What's this thing now? Now I'm not able to sleep.
It's even the skin. I don't want anything to happen to our skin. What's that brown thing? Bye.
No, what's the yarning?
What's ya? Okay.
Let me ask them. Typically, it should be 0, right?
Don't tempt me. And we can save us together, sure.
Actually,
Yes.
what
We'll
about
have
your
it.
friend?
Three of us will have it together.
She needs to eat too. She's
Joy,
not
I need
as
to
fat as
eat
you guys.
though.
She will eat spaghetti.
No, no.
Right?
And still, this still looks nice.
looks really nice. Really,
It's nice though. Look at the spaghetti.
This is Joy and Raya working food. Now here they go see. Hey, Joy, see your mouth. See your mouth.
Where's fish?
Fish.
Those guys in Adu.
Fish.
Those guys in Adu were in Adu now.
Those girls.
Your friends.
The small ones.
When you were living in Adu, those your friends.
Okay, Fumile,
Fish were.
Fumile, they are fine. Guys, meet my
Yeah, usually a nice
favorite
one, huh?
uncle.
Let me see the phone. What's not good about it?
It's not bad.
Eh?
My phone is not bad. Uncle, say hi now.
Oh, sorry. I was,
Sis now.
oh, sorry.
We're at Rare Beds Hotel and is it Hotel and Suite now? 2 hours and hotel. So I kind of did a room tour. I'll just inside the video now. Guys, so let me do a room tour for you guys at Rare Beds. Rare Beds Suite and Towers. I'll be one of this place. So when you enter First of all, this is the bathroom. Nothing much, nothing deep, just shower, And I don't know, these people have telephone in their toilets, they don't have iron. So this is just a random mirror. Nothing so special. And this is wardrobe, as you can see. What? Ryan, they put this thing inside this thing though, microwave in our wardrobe. But wait till we they do. That's wardrobe. Then we have this for breakfast. We have our own TV, and there's this shelf here. And our fridge is inside. We literally just entered now, Sha, because we've just been busy doing one or two. This lovely artwork. This is our bed. This is our bed, big enough for 3 of us. Because we're going to throw Raya in the middle.
What is it?
What tangari? Make a bar. Oh, po. Oh, that is set. Okay. So this is basically it, Sha, and this bed. Then this is, I don't know if we have a view. Raya, be like say we get view. Alright, we get view.
The only view I want to have right now is the view of God and Jehovah.
Guys, this is our view. This is royal bed.
This is really nice.
Royal bed towels.
Be careful pẹ̀lú phone ẹ, Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú ẹ.
Tí phone mi bá lọ jà. A jẹ́ péré parí nìyẹn. So apart from the individual room, Sha, they're like suites like that anti-bookies that we guys saw the other time. So that's all about our, So that's all about our room, Sha. We even have lamp. Guess Ryan wants to read the Bible in the morning.
Whenever you mention my name, you love me.
This morning, rise and shine. This morning we are supposed to have prayers. We're supposed to have prayers this morning. So we are done. And let me now even bust you people's head what even happened that destroyed my entire mood yesterday. So we got yesterday night we were supposed to go for fitting, but because of the everything we couldn't meet at tailor yesterday night. So the woman just jammed us that she should just give us our code though, that let's be going on. If people don't want to know what this woman see for us.
No, wá dúró síwájú bí báyìí. Ó fàyè mi ṣèyanu. Bí Ráyọ̀ ṣe ṣojú. Ráyọ̀ looks so unhappy. Yeah. Yo, máa ti ṣe video. So I didn't even want to start from these clothes.
Which time do we have tomorrow now to go and be amending?
Because I saw this one go, why is it in front here? No, it wasn't. Tún ṣe dáadáa. Oh, rí bá pa aṣọ yẹn ṣú. Bend down, no? Ìwọ tí ẹ̀nà kọ́kọ́ máa rí wò. No, like. I will see where you. Like touch your new.
I can't bend like this on my belt. If we had known, I should have told them to help me send my clothes to school. Like Taylor should help me sew it at home. Taylor should help me sew it in school. Because she's still rubbish. Like both outfits are nonsense. Like rubbish. So right now, we're dressed now to go to the tailor's place now. Cause normal, there's supposed to be an activity in our family prayers. Number one, this hotel, we asked them for iron. They said their ironing system, their laundry cannot be available till around 8, and this is around 7. The prayer is supposed to start by 8, so we should have left the hotel. Everybody should have left the hotel before 8. You guys get. So the plan is to go with one of my aunties to my grandpa's place and get an iron and bring it here, so that people that need to iron will iron, so that everybody will make it before. But now we're dressed. We're waiting. I will go get the iron. My auntie will bring it back, and then we will go to Taylor's place for all our amendments, because this woman, she really did us, like, no jokes, like it's terrible. So that's what we are up to now. And I just really want to bring you guys along to meet my family. You guys can meet everybody, the people we know and the people you guys don't really the people you guys know and the people that you guys don't really know. Like even some cousins I've not seen in a very long time. I'm the eldest anyways, but then again, my siblings don't really know them as per they just say give birth to them, like all these small children. So that's why I'm looking like scripture, because I'm going to tailor's place now. I'm not dressed for the event yet, and the thing is, my auntie's already delaying now, safe. Because if the stuff is supposed to start by 8, that means we should have gone and finished everything we need to do latest by 9, so that we'll meet the morning prayers and photo shoot. Because I'm supposed to have a photo shoot with my granddad anyway. So it's been a distinction. Let me just show you people the view I was trying to show you yesterday that didn't work out. Kopoke. See this one. Say hi. This one I shall be looking for how to snap picture. So this one I trouser there in a big remote.
Your phone.
My phone no make it no fall down because of royal beds. The view is not that mad anyways. Not that mad. It is Akure no. You see that bad wall? See palm tree. So that's it. But this place is really high, you guys. Guys, when the elevator is there, my head was just shaking. Ojoro. What a wonderful. So guys, that's it, Jerry. You guys see I'm looking so stressed. Like exams has been killing. I don't even want to think about that tailor matter, because that woman. Just left Taylor's place. This is already like almost 10. It's the people on the streets looking at me like, who am I talking to? Ojo, it's cold. Ojo, my brother, how will you come back for our clothes? So we just left at Taylor's place now. We're going back to my grandpa's side. Guys, Woro has just been turned into Woro since. Let me just tell you that event has already started. The morning prayer I told you guys about has already started. The photo whatever, I don't know, everything, everybody shall already there. Now only us, everybody can't they find us. We can't they shalaye. We can't they shalaye now. The weather is changing. Okay. Mary no fall. Guys, makeup, we never reason them. At least dress now is even manageable. Nobody say she gets started to like that, but then it's much better. Corona for that. Well, you still have to come back here, and I didn't bring super glue. My slippers are cut. Please, this kind of Woro to Woro, please. What did I offend?
I wear mommy's slippers.
Okay, you wear mommy's slippers. Okay. So
I hope mommy has slippers.
I don't know, you guys. We are the Nigerian cousins, and we are here. We are supposed to be the ones looking paying as per. We are the ones that own this place.
Oh, just Nigerian.
But
I won't do this. I don't have money on it. I'll try to carry back.
it's well done. You are very lazy.
My phone is low now. You didn't plan to record or anything.
No, no, I knew Tenny was going to do it, so I did not even stress myself.
And here we are. Then it was late. The greatest disappointment ever. Guys, so this is the farm. Like I said, only my mommy will wear jean skirts. Let me say hi. It's everybody. And this is we finally turning up late.
Wait for you, sis.
For what? Are we Jesus Christ? You can't start prayer without us. I know we've missed prayer now, and I wanted to record it. Hi. Say mwah. Say mwah. Hands Bookie.
Darling, say share these pictures.
Okay.
Daddy and children. Okay, let's say everybody needs to cooperate.
Anu, what's it?
Okay, concentrate. Okay.
See.
Everybody say cheese. Everybody say grandpa A. Grandpa A. Say cheese again. Yes. Say grandpa A.
Do something interesting. Uncle Bosoye, do something interesting. Mommy, that's your interesting, Abby. Hey, it's Grandpa's sugar. Mommy, not be only you were scared last. You try. Okay. Grandpa just a shine it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready? Daddy and male children.
The video guy is downstairs. Okay.
Uncle Wale, your smiling face is the best.
Everybody say cheese. Yeah. Cheese.
Wawoo. Really? I know that they caught you there. Oh, this is not everyone actually. This is not everyone. The rest of them are not here. Who else is remaining? Auntie Nike, and that's all. Grandpa actually has more male children. That's serious. Wow, I actually didn't know. Miss Auntie Nike.
Okay, please look here. Everybody say cheese. Everybody say Akure.
Hey, Grandpa system on your head.
Children and spouses.
Spouses. Grandma say hi. Grandma say hi.
After that is daddy and spouses.
Oh, Dak, give me by Dak. Auntie Oyi, I talk. Ma?
Please be know your spouse.
Mama?
And don't worry. Comfort your spouse. Good kids.
It's just my own woman.
Ma? Because Uncle Bosoye has taken your shine, though. Ma? What were you?
Ready? Yes, I can see everybody.
Oh.
Okay, sorry. I want to see.
I'll laugh for the spouseless. I see what I'm seeing. So old school.
Okay, I can't see you. Come on. So I'll go in a little. Okay, yes. I'm talking about, I don't know. Yeah, we are okay now. Ma, let me come in a little. Yes, perfect.
Eh.
Yes, everybody say cheese. Say egusi. Come in close. Grandpa do like this.
It's true, Grandpa.
Please, you are paying me for this. Tell you, you are fall. all now.
21st century. Let's gather everybody.
Find out.
Grandkids. Tenny. How does it feel to be the shortest? How does it feel to be the shortest? Say cheese.
Everybody say grandpa. Everybody say we love you, grandpa. We love you, grandpa. We love you, Sayo. We love you, grandpa.
Everybody look this way. Everybody look this way.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Everybody look at grandpa. Nice.
Male grandchildren.
Guys, my birthday mate. We go way back. That's my grandpa. How about you feel? You look fresh. Yes, you look fresh.
Tenny. God have mercy on you.
Amen. I'm on your patient so.
Husband, children.
Ryo. Oi. Uncle, say hi. Uncle, you don't need to post. You are fine now. You are fine now. Stay away. Guys, here Auntie Bookie, fresh Auntie Bookie, Milomi Auntie Bookie, baddest Auntie Bookie, hottest Auntie Bookie, cutest Auntie Bookie, hottest Auntie Bookie, fiery. Guys, I was a little bride, by the way.
Is that not your name?
She's the most mother.
Alright, we have an opportunity now.
I'm sorry, don't be angry. Mama, you look good. Mama says sweet 16. Mama say you only live one. Let me write it.
This is grandpa's wife.
Okay.
And a progeny. Another pastor. Samsung camera doesn't like inside. Grandpa. Sweet. These are grandpa's lookalikes.
Hey, you're going to join. One day.
Yeah, I had to move it because looking very well. Hello there, sorry. Right, okay, grandpa, please.
The photographer put him. Guys, this is Uncle Yemi, but his wife and children are in the UK, so I don't know, for reasons known to them, they didn't make it. Guys, this is Uncle Wale, my grandmom's last born, but his wife is not here because she had to rush back home for a family emergency, so this is them. This is my grandpa's third or fourth son now. I don't even have lost count. Guys, this is my grandpa's second wife and her children. Yes, better, it's less darker. Auntie Okwe Spice, Auntie Tolu Spice, Auntie Banke. Come on. It means Auntie Nike, but she's in the UK too. She didn't come, she and her family didn't come. So that's all for them. It's a large family. I miss them. I really wanted to see them. They are troublesome. I'll make it up. Last wife, and this is Anu. Toby is the other guy, the other son, but he's not here. He's abroad too. This is the baby of the clan. The baby of the clan. Guys, we just go back to the hotel now. This is real best. I don't want all the strangers to be showing in my video. I see bride and groom. Bride and groom, man. Before they carry me for illegal videoing. So guys, just go back to the hotel. We're about to go get glammed up for the party. We've already sorted our issue with Taylor. That's what delayed us. Let me say, your wig done. This here, people on the talk say it's fine. How this one fine? But you rotate it. That's already rough. Right, what's in the elevator? Okay, just go. Sorry. So guys, this is us. This is us, man. Us. Hey!
Stop now.
Have you timed this? Have you taken it to where we are going? Have you pressed where we are going? Not be floor 3.
Yeah, but it's too extra personal. It's so pressed.
I should go. This is to lift my brain. This is to lift my head.
Okay, this second floor.
But second floor, I'm going. Okay. Makeup artist is here, so I want to stay at the front of the elevator, so she'll get. I don't know. So she shall see me.
10K. No. A Nike Ibadan.
Me, I'm not working on that money.
How much did you buy yours?
I don't know.
Just be say hi. Who gave Ryan robe?
It's for mommy.
You see the borrow person clothes shine.
Yes, shake on. KPK.
It's nice. You look nice, alright. Yeah.
Theological. Jesus. Oh, I love the eye.
As we expected to have a live presentation, I have been having
see my father.
It's down on that. Isn't Shola bullying the makeup artist?
I don't outside the room.
I'm the only one. Joy, should be you're not 10. Okay. Ah, okay. And I forgot Auntie Shola shall bully this auntie to draw her brows. Did you press 1? Sorry.
Going down. Doors closing.
You didn't take my bracelet.
You didn't take. Let me just test and to just help you take it. Where is it?
She won't be able to see. She said that I'm bag.
You get you like you don't go out of your
Everybody. Uncle, so rich man vibes. Look it.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be.
No, I can't.
Are you sure you can?
She killer she cinematography.
Okay, I can't. Hey, boy, you're not.
On it. Go back here. Yeah.
Can you please let me put this stuff inside your bag now?
Which stuff? Carry the bag and put it yourself. I dey vlog. Chief, say hi. Hi. Grandchildren coming in. Grandchildren coming. Grandchildren coming. I forgot my tripod.
God bless you. Oh, is it better? Okay, let's have the spouses now sit down. The spouses, let's have it now. I think I know.